Hello, my name is Andrella Farrar, and I'm talking about abduction. Abduction used as extradition in the United States. And the definition of abduction is the legal method by which one state surrenders an alleged offender to another state so that the latter state can prosecute him or her. It is a discrete and specialized area of law that needs to be explored in a general context before looking at the aspects specific to those accused of genocide or crimes against humanity. What is abduction? Abduction is kidnapping. And extradition was accepted by the international community. However, extradition became about the 1980s. People in the United States said extradition was too expensive, it took too much time, and um, and it was too complicated. So the United States Supreme Court um, established the abduction for an alleged criminal against the United States was legal. So the United States started using abduction as a form of extradition when it came to alleged suspects of crimes against the United States of America. And one particular case is the case of the United States versus Manuel Noriega. Manuel Noriega was a general in Panama, and he also was a very powerful man in Panama. He often worked with the CIA, he often worked with the United States government, and when it came to telling them about different drug cartels and how the drugs were coming into the United States. However, he also was making money, millions of dollars with the drug cartels. And so eventually, the United States sent in troops it was about 25,000 troops to abduct Norego. So it took about 2 weeks. They finally abducted him, captured him, and took him back to the United States. He was convicted for drug trafficking. He was sentenced to 40 years in prison. However, he only spent about 30 years in prison. He was paroled. And he wrote a book about it as well. As far as the international community, the way the United States and the global community, internationally, there are treaties against drug trafficking. So the international community would not have any problem with Noriega's case and the abduction of him to bring him to the United States for trial because drug trafficking is against international norms and laws based on treaties and conventions. So this was a good case. This was one of the most powerful men that they took down. Thank you.